Yeah, but I suppose a few things, and you may repeat them, but I think one of the points I made was that the best thing to do is download the LAVD software today and start, and because it's easy to use, it's free of charge, and you'll get used to it. And it's always taking the first step is always the worst one to take, but it's 50% of the project done once you've done that. So I think that's quite important, just to download it and start using it, so you then get used to it, what its problems are, what its advantages are. And it's open source, free of charge. If you're something missing, you can always get it changed or change it yourself. The other point that was made that I don't make often enough, is that when in the literature, if you've found a new mutation, you say, "Oh, new mutation, I must rush off and publish it." That's one thing, and people do that. But the other point, of course, is that when you're in a situation in an individual country, you want to record every instance of a particular mutation, because you want to know how frequent it is in your particular ethnic group or whatever, and that's important. And you might want to connect up families that are in different cities, etc. So they're really different concepts in some way. And even though in our society we're recommended that locus-specific databases collect every instance of a particular mutation, they don't. They always look for the first one. And so we're not really used to yet collecting in locus-specific databases, which are international, the actual numbers that are in each country. And that's what, of course, the individual countries can do that the locus-specific databases can't do. The other thing that I emphasised was, and maybe you could take over in a minute, was